Hi everyone. We all know the story of the tortoise and the hare. The speedy hare gets overconfident and ends up losing a race to the slow yet determined tortoise. This fable is often used to demonstrate that it's better to do things slowly and carefully rather than quickly and without thinking. In fact, much of the psychology of decision making supports the same argument. Slow down and go carefully to make correct decisions. So, what does psychology tell us about decision making? The dual process theory of decision-making argues that there are two types of processes by which people make judgments, which we call System 1 and System 2. System 1 is fast, automatic, and intuitive, while System 2 is slow, deliberate, and analytical. Within the tortoise and the hare story, System 1 would be the hare, System 2 would be the tortoise. The common understanding is that System 2 is the better decision-making process, because System 1 can result in mistakes in judgment due to unconscious biases. Sound familiar? We're constantly taught that the best way to make decisions is to think through things slowly and carefully. However, I have discovered in my research that when people are making everyday decisions, they're more satisfied with their choices when they follow their intuition and make quick judgments. So why is the hare outperforming the tortoise in my research? One reason could be that we're not looking at decisions or problems that can be easily solved with statistics or math. Rather, we're measuring the outcome of a decision by how satisfied participants are after they make it. Another reason may be that when using their intuition, people find it easier to tap into their internal state and their emotions in particular, which could be helping them focus on what will make them happy instead of on other irrelevant variables. So where's my research standing now? Recently, I've been looking into reasons that intuition works well for everyday decision making. I've identified two factors behind satisfaction: impulsivity and what we call introception. People who are more impulsive were more likely to use System 1 and experienced more satisfaction when using System 1 than those who were not impulsive. People who were better at introception, meaning they're more in tune with their internal physiological state, also experienced increased satisfaction with their choice, maybe because they were better at sensing their emotions and predicting their future preferences. So perhaps the tortoise usually beats the hare in a race, or in our case, in problems which can be solved with statistics and math. But the hare deserves credit for being good at everyday tasks, and for being happy with them. On my end, I will continue to research everyday decisions, to give people accurate advice about how to make such choices. Maybe instead of slow and steady wins the race, we should be teaching people how to trust their gut. Thank you.